Hello everyone, welcome to Lifescience Insider. In this video, we are going to discuss about there is an opportunity for the guest faculty or assistant professor in the university, Central University of Jharkhand, and this opportunity is for the walk-in interview for this position. And what are the positions, what are the eligibility criteria, and what are the fees, what are the last date, and what is the date of interview we will be discussing in this video. So this is the advertisement number from Central University of Jharkhand. The Central University of Jharkhand is looking for the engagement of assistant professor, guest faculty in the Department of Education for 4-year integrated B.Sc.B.Ed program. The details are under. So these are subjects for the botany. Number of posts are 1 for the unreserved category, and for the chemistry it is 1 for the unreserved category. For the mathematics for the unreserved category. For the physics there is for the only for the OBC, and for the zoology there for the unreserved, that is 1, and the total is 4 for the unreserved, and for OBC that is 1, and the date of walk-in interview will be 25th June 2024 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The reporting time will be 9 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. The educational qualification and the terms of conditions: good academic record as defined by the concerned university. At least they have should have 55 marks or equivalent grade in the point scale wherever grading system is followed. At master's degree level in the concerned relevant subjects. Okay. They should have the national eligibility test or a doctor of philosophy, that is Ph.D. in the concerned subject, and the interview will be held in the administrative block located at the Central University of Jharkhand, Cheri Manatu, Post Office Kambre, PS Kanke. So this is the actually you can check. I'll be putting this particular PDF into the description, so you can check whatever is required. And there will be relaxation for the reserved categories, and the guest faculty shall be paid an honorarium of the 1500 per lecture subject to the maximum rupees 50,000 per month. However, he or she may be assigned more than 25 classes per month, and she will responsible for paper setting and evaluation of the answer scripts as a part of his responsibilities. And no TADA shall be admissible to the candidates for the interview on joining the university. If selected, candidates will have to make their own arrangement for the accommodation, as the university will not be able to provide the free accommodation. Candidates fulfilling the eligibility condition has to register online and are required to report for the walk-in interview on the date and the time, again each post. Along with the original and the photocopies of the mark sheets, certificates, and the one passport photograph along with their biodata, and the link for the registration are given. I'll be putting this into the link. I will provide it to you, and interview may continue for the next day depending upon the circumstances. Hence, the candidate may come prepared accordingly. Interview date and the time, if changed, will notify on the Central University of Jharkhand website. I will also give this website to you, this link to you, and if you have any query regarding this registration or any kind of eligibility, whatever the things you are having in the mind, you can resolve those queries through this particular email that is given. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you don't want to miss any kind of videos like this, having the opportunities of this project, admission to the PhD, or recruitment of the faculties in any kind of university, whether it is state or central, so you can consider this channel to be subscribed. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. And also, if you are looking for the lectures related to the CSIR NET JRF or similar national level examination including GATE, ICMR, ICAR, so you should consider this channel. Thank you so much guys.